Hello everyone, in today's video we will be giving you an introduction to AP Computer Science Principles. Just remember that AP Computer Science Principles is not the same as AP Computer Science A. Computer Science Principles focuses on more vocabulary, concepts and pseudocode, whereas Computer Science A is all about writing code using Java. Let's start off with the big ideas covered on the AP exam. The first topic is creative development. Creative development focuses on collaboration, program function and purpose, program design and development, and identifying and correcting errors in programs. The second big idea is data. In regards to the AP exam, all you need to know for data is binary numbers, types of data compression algorithms, and extracting information from data. Next we have algorithms and programming. This is what makes up most of the AP exam. I would recommend spending the most time on this topic because it includes many other subtopics. The fourth big idea is computing systems and networks, which focuses on the internet, fault tolerance, and parallel and distributed computing. The final big idea is the impact of computing. This topic includes beneficial and harmful effects of the digital divide and computing bias, which is when a computer program has a positive or negative impact on a certain group of people. A few other topics included are crowdsourcing, legal and ethical concerns, and safe computing. Here are the topic distributions for each of the big ideas on the AP exam. As you can see, algorithms and programming make up the biggest part of the AP exam, so I recommend studying that the most, whereas creative development makes up the smallest portion of the AP exam. Now let's talk about what makes up your AP score. 70% of your score comes from a 70-question multiple-choice exam that you will get 2 hours to complete. The first 60 questions of this test will ask you to only choose one answer. But the last 10 questions will ask you to select 2 answers. For these kinds of questions, you will only get full points if both the answers you chose are correct. You will not get any points if only one answer is correct. When going through the test, make sure to read each question carefully and go through questions at a constant pace. If you are stuck on a question, skip it and come back to it after you finish the test. The other 30% of this exam comes from the create task. You will get a minimum of 12 hours in class to work on the create task. You can get a maximum of 6 points for the create task. The create task is a student-developed procedure that has input and output and includes a list or another method of storing data. You will need to submit a PDF of your program code, a video demonstrating the program's functionality, and a written response. The video must be under 1 minute and no more than 30 megabytes in file size for your written response. You will need to answer questions regarding your code. There is a word limit, so make sure to plan out your responses carefully. Now let's talk about how to prepare for the AP exam. First off, attend office hours even if you don't have questions. You should also review your notes every 1 to 2 days so you don't forget anything important. Make sure you don't study everything the week before the AP exam. Instead, try to start studying about 2 months early and review a little each day. Another way to prepare for the AP exam is to take practice tests. If you can't find any online, try asking your teacher for some. You can also watch AP daily videos on College Board's website or on YouTube. And finally, let's talk about the AP curve. The AP curve is a great way for you to boost your grade, which is another perk of taking the AP exam. For example, if you have a C- in the class, you can boost your grade to an A- if you get a 5 on the AP exam. For reference, here is a chart illustrating the AP curve. Thanks for watching.